In the land of Brightonia, there was a small kingdom ruled by a little king named Oliver. Despite his young age, King Oliver possessed a heart full of courage and a mind filled with wisdom beyond his years. One sunny morning, as King Oliver strolled through the lush gardens of his castle, he stumbled upon a wounded bird with a broken wing. Moved by compassion, he gently picked up the bird and cradled it in his hands. He named it Pip and vowed to care for it until it healed. Word of King Oliver's kindness spread throughout the kingdom, reaching the hearts of his subjects. They admired their young king's empathy and began to refer to him as the little king with a big heart. Inspired by his encounter with Pip, King Oliver realized that he could make a difference not just for one injured bird but for all creatures of the kingdom. He implemented laws to protect wildlife and create safe habitats. His subjects eagerly joined his cause, and the kingdom flourished as a haven for animals and nature. As King Oliver grew older, he faced various challenges, but his determination never wavered. He studied diligently, seeking knowledge to govern his kingdom with wisdom and fairness. Despite his small stature, his compassion and leadership won the admiration and respect of neighboring kingdoms. Under King Oliver's reign, Brightonia prospered. The kingdom became known for its vibrant gardens, thriving wildlife, and the kindness shown by its little king. King Oliver's acts of compassion touched the lives of not just the animals but also the people, fostering a sense of unity and kindness throughout the land. As years passed, King Oliver's legacy lived on. The people of Brightonia cherished his memory, passing down tales of the little king with a big heart to future generations. The spirit of compassion and empathy he instilled became an integral part of the kingdom's identity. And so, the tale of King Oliver, the little king with a big heart, continued to inspire acts of kindness and remind everyone that the size of one's heart matters more than physical stature. His story stood as a testament to the power of compassion and the impact that even the smallest acts of kindness can have on the world.